Alright, we have the Primal Rage Evolution by Motiv. This was the newest one that came out, I believe, in November. It's a pin and ring finger. I'll give the layout in the description down below. This has been a very difficult ball for me to master. We'll see what I can do tonight if I can change that. I just have to do that 11 more times. So I got this ball because it reminds me of Christmas with the red and green. Probably my worst, or sorry, my least consistent Motiv ball that I have to date. It's very hard to master. So I brought the surface down to 3,000, came factory 5,500, and at a box it was a little, it needed some surface when I was rolling it based on the lane conditions. So I found out that 3,000 to 4,000 is a good grit for this ball. Gotta remember to slow it down a little bit, not try to huck it down there. By the way, rolling with my first spare ball that I ever bought, On the Ball Abide. Good old dude. If you're a Lebowski fan, let me know. Give me a shout out in the comments. I think the younger generation doesn't appreciate that movie. Brooklyn, but a strike is a strike. Not my prettiest, but I'll take it. Maybe less spin on it next time. It strikes good. When it doesn't hit the pocket, it splits on me, so it's very finicky. Not a very forgiving ball from my experience, but it sure does look pretty. Left lane, I'm bringing it just right down in the middle. I think around the 10 to 15 board, going right down there. Kind of not putting too much side action on it. Seems to be working. The right lane, I need to put a little bit more side action on it. Side spin. Took it too far out past the 5 board, did not want to come back. That's my fault. Pick up your spares, son. Well, let me know if you got the Primal Rage Evolution, if you like it. What surface did you put on it? If you plan on getting one, let me know. All right. See that follow through going. A little bit of tripping going on over there. 17 miles an hour, a little fast. Can't seem to keep my speed consistent tonight. All right. All right, I think the dude abides on that one. All right, 10th frame. Tapping on that 10 pin. Loving it. 14.5 mile an hour. See if I can't finish strong and make this my last game of the night. I bowled. It's my 8th game. I'm a little exhausted. How many games have you bowled in one day? How many games in a row have you bowled? I think mine is around 15. Let me know in the comments. Love them strings, love them strings. Let's see if I can't finish this one up with a strike. Not a bad score, 237. With a Primal Rage Evolution, clean game to boot. And I was off by, what, 5, 6 pins away from a 300. Ah, I'll get there one of these days. All right, let me know if you have the Primal Rage Evolution. If you like it, you want to get it, leave me a comment down below, and like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you like what you see. And I will see you next video or on the lanes. Thanks for watching, everybody.